Gigapress, Tesla's secret weapon. Doing big things is not something unknown to Tesla. When the company invented the Gigapress back in 2018, it was a huge step forward. The product line includes numerous aluminum die casting machines and was initially manufactured by the Italian Idra Group. The Gigapress also has the title of being the biggest high-pressure die casting machine in the entire world. Intrigued to find out more? Hang around till the end of the video because what we're going to discuss will shock you. Before moving to those bits, however, we request you all to please take a moment of your precious time to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give this video a like. Share it as much as possible to spread valuable information. As a side note, if you want to see more videos like these in future, click the bell icon so you never miss out. Alright, let's get back to our main topic. The name Gigapress correlates with Tesla's Gigafactory, although it was coined by the Idra Group. This giant has a clamping force of around 55,000 to 61,000 kilonewtons. The machine itself has a weight of 410 to 430 tons. Compare this to the mass of an airbus, which is around 400 tons. Isn't that spellbinding? Did you know that it takes at least 20 flatbed trucks just to transfer a 1 Gigapress? Dimensionally, the machine is a whopping 6 by 7.5 by 20 meters. As we mentioned earlier, since the machine was created by the Idra Group, it marked another of the various projects Tesla had collaborated on with that group. The company itself uses the Gigapress as well to manufacture the chassis in their cars. If you take a look at its functioning, it runs just like any other die casting machine. A plunger is used to push hot metal into molds that can be used again. But it's not just some die casting machine, is it? There must be something else to do it as well. What distinguishes it is its sheer size and scale. Let us take the car chassis example once again. The chassis includes the front section and the rear section joined together by a battery pack. The manufacturing process in a Gigapress has to pass several stages. First, oil is sprayed inside the mold, which helps us remove the finished product with ease. An external furnace melts the metal before sending it to the press. To reduce the cost required for raising the temperature of the furnace, Tesla combines aluminum and silicon. This alloy requires 850 degrees to melt and afterwards is pushed into the mold. Then, you wait till the mixture cools to around 400 degrees before removing the chassis with the help of a robot. The structure is then dipped into cold water for cooling further to 50 degrees. Now, the chassis is a raw product yet to enter the defect checking stage. If any dents or rough edges are found, they are trimmed to perfection. One of the last stages includes an array of different robots drilling required holes into the chassis. The current automobile chassis is a mix of tens or hundreds of individual parts, each made of numerous different materials, with each part to be joined in a separate and unique way, for example with the use of welding, bolts, and adhesives. Tesla is thinking otherwise. They plan to make use of 2 huge single castings, each for the front and rear underbody sections. Then they will connect it with a battery pack. This method not only simplifies things a lot in the assembly, but also helps to lower the weight of the structure. If you look at it, the Gigapress takes up a significant amount of space in a factory and requires some investment. The electric press is run using 2 132 kilowatts and 4 90 kilowatt motors, which gives it the strength it needs to do what needs to be done. What actually made Tesla make this investment was the mere speed of running. Did you know that it takes less than 100 seconds to convert an aluminum-silicon alloy into a chassis? When compared to labor, it is quicker in multiples. This is what enables Tesla to meet the demands of the public. To put this into vision here is an amazing statistic. Did you know that if you had 20 Gigapress in a single Tesla Gigafactory, you could make over 350,000 Tesla Model Y car chassis annually? That is because it takes 2 Gigapress to make 1 Model Y car chassis. To kind of generalize things, this amounts to a value of around 100,000 car chassis a year, which is not bad at all and includes delays, checks, optimizations, etc. If you think that was cool, then hear us out. Tesla just informed the world that they aim to produce over 750,000 cars this year. Isn't that insane? Although we know that it is the Gigapress that is Tesla's secret weapon. Loving the video so far? If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video with others. Hit the thumbs up to show your love and support for our channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss out in the future. With factories in Fremont, Austin, Berlin, and Shanghai, the target of 1 million vehicles this year does not look impossible at all. Moreover, the production line helps save costs in multiples. Despite the huge initial investment in installing these giants, the long-term benefits outweigh the costs. That is because a single Gigapress eliminates the need for 300 robots. Regarding space requirements, the Gigapress cut it down by about 30%, which means that the body shop has way more space, which seems unlikely considering the dimensions of the product line. Although unemployment rises, from an economic point of view, the production cost falls since less maintenance is required. As a quick comparison, the use of Gigapress drops down the costs of the car chassis by about 40%. With Musk's concept of making electric cars cheaper, this machine is a great leap forward. Musk's latest facility in China aims to work on this aspect, and it's safe to say that the Gigapress will play a major role. Thus, to sum it all up, Tesla has not only made its production cheaper, but faster as well. For the future, the company plans to use Gigapresses for manufacturing Cybertrucks and semi-trucks as well. Musk himself agrees when he says that the company will use an 8,000-ton casting machine for the Cybertruck. Interestingly enough, the Idra Group said that they had received an order for an 8,000-ton die casting machine, but did not disclose the customer, although it seems obvious. According to reports, the Berlin plant will have 8 Gigapresses at the end of this year. Moreover, Tesla has planned to install 11 Gigapresses in its 4 prime locations. Another interesting fact is that Tesla is not the only company that has employed these die-casting machines. Audi, BMW, and Cadillac have as well. Still, none of them has taken it to the level at which Tesla has. Regarding Gigapress, there is only one other company in the world that uses the production line, and that is located in South Korea. However, unlike Tesla, it does not use it in the process of manufacturing cars. Instead, it uses the press to make components for telecommunication. Did you like today's video? If so, don't forget to show your love and support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Share the video as much as possible. Let us know about your views on the Gigapress as well in the comments section down below. Hit the bell icon to watch more videos like these. Stay tuned, and we'll see you all tomorrow.